Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix voicemail notification not working on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration and click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart devices, click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. After click on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. Go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications and allow notifications. After allow notifications, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system. Click on reset option and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.